Hey guys, so this is a test recording where I see how I do. I've had this blade for, I don't know, 2018. It came with a painted finish. It kept chipping away though. So I used paint stripper to chemically remove the paint, and then a hell of a lot of scrubbing with steel wool. I like this one because it is that simple. It's two steel parts that click together and a few insert parts. Unlike all the fancy ones, this thing will not break. The only way you can break this is by putting enough impact force on it that you bend the metal. And this is pretty strong metal. Like, there's no way, man. Not gonna break. So, that concludes my test recording.